Dear friends, on behalf of the Sakha Junior Science Academy, I would like to wish you all a healthy and fruitful new year. This passing year was a challenging year for all of us. The Academy is on online format since March, with many planned offline events cancelled. At the start of the year, two of the Academy members took part at the International Science Youth Forum, a science enrichment program at the kind invitation of the world-known Hwa Chong Institution in Singapore. Students have undertaken collaborative tasks with their peers from all over the world and met a Nobel Laureate, Sir Konstantin Novoselov. I'm ever so thankful to Professor Kwek and Lady Kim for their generosity of spirit and help extended to our Academy. Many members of the Academy had benefited from the wonderful Singapore experience. I want to thank thousands of our members for their active participation in various online courses, activities, and phenological experiments. Our Academy online community carried out these experiments this summer. It was a remarkable success, encompassing the entire territory of Yakutia, which is no less than 3 million square kilometers. My Science Summer 2020 was an excellent and is an exciting experience to see how many different plants and insects, birds and butterflies one can find and study in their own backyard. This is an ongoing enterprise, and you can see the results of that on the website phenonet.ru. In October, we held our traditional international Tuimada Olympiad online in March only. Again, it was a singular success, attracting more than 200 participants from different countries. My sincere thanks for all those for taking part in the Tuimada Olympiad. In November, the members of the Academy took part in the Asia-Pacific Conference for Young Scientists. I want to thank Dr. Monica Rahati for your kind invitation. It was an excellent experience for our members. This year, some of our active members received high accolades. Kirill Kunitsyn from Nirungri took the Scientia Vinces Award of the first President of the Sakha Republic, His Excellency Mikhail Nikolaev. It is a personal award from the first president for the academic achievements as a school student. This year, Kirill became the Russian Education Year 2020 grant recipient for excellence in maths and computer sciences. Andrei Petrov, another member of the Academy from Yakutsk, also received this grant. This year, Andrei won a prestigious grant to work on his CONSAT project. Congratulations to both of you. Another good news is that our member, Artyom Vasiliev, enrolled in one of the top Asian universities, KAIST, Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. He is the first Yakutian undergraduate student ever to enroll and get scholarship at that university. So I would like to thank many who actually took part in all our events and different activities. This year was a watershed year for going all digital and online, which coincided with the Academy becoming a regional center for the development of gifted and talented students under the auspices of the Sirius Educational Center of Sochi. And as such, we are expanding our activities. As a token of this development, one of our newish members, Pavel Kuprianov, took part in the competition in Izmir in piano and won the gold medal. Please enjoy his play, and I wish you all a very happy new year.